is the day one of enclosure. By entering the college campus, and the energy was electric. The participants were buzzing with excitement and curious to see what the enclosure event had. And we started with the registration and distributed kits to the participant, and the participants were super excited. Then we kicked off the session with Mrunal, who walked us through all the types of suturing from basic to advanced using a well structured presentation. This is the suturing kit we provided to the participant. The first one, it is a forceps, the needle holder, and this is the scalpel, and these are the surgical blades for this scalpel, and it is a scissor. This is the suturing pad we provided to all participants for hands-on practice. And during the event, these were our quiz winners. And then the trainers began guiding the participant through hands-on practice step by step. And here I am captured. And here is our workshop coordinator, Miss Mronal. And here is Mr. Yash showing off his skills with the Aberdeen knot, looking like a pro. And this is the second day. We started off with the discussion on the biomedical waste management.
Hold this in whichever way you like, then away, and then maybe it might not go at one. See, like this. You have to give it on a top, okay? And then when you invert the vial, this doesn't fall. What's the reason and what is the physics behind this?
Then Chris explained dose calculation in a detailed way. Here we meet Manoj, our scriptwriter, director, and the creative mind behind the scenes for my YouTube channel. Our participants are now performing suturing on real skin, and wow, it's impressive. Here is Sonia teaching the participants how to suture. This is Prerana, helped by cutting the skin for the participants to suture. This is Samruddhi, happily teaching and enjoying every moment. Scalpel preparation, including how to insert the blade and handle it safely, explained by our expert. This is Aishwarya, and she really taught very well. And here our amazing Georgian participant fully involved and enjoying the event.
Suture are being replaced by the staplers because this only take 1 to 2 seconds to close the wound. Okay, so the material inside the suture is a stainless steel, medical grade stainless. Just one hand is open, enough, and then make sure it is over here and then pull that.
Here is our quiz winner, deeply focused and doing the suturing with a great interest. What he is doing, I'm not really sure. Teaching something or just chit-chatting with her? Just kidding, guys.
So this triangle one, this is used for reverse cutting and on the tougher surfaces. And where there is a circle, it is used in the tapering ends and with the softer tissues, okay, like fascia.
Now I have added some event photos. Here is amazing team behind it. Comment below if you attended the event and share your experience. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more exciting content.